यूँ तो आए दिन बॉलीवुड में कई सारे बोल्ड कंटेंट्स को लेकर फिल्में बनती है, तो वहीं इस मामले में सीरियल क्वीन एकता कपूर भी पीछे नहीं है। जी हां, सनी लियोन को लेकर जहां उन्होंने रागनी MMS 2 जैसी फिल्म बनाई, तो वहीं अब एकता ने एक बार फिर से एक बोल्ड कंटेंट को लेकर फिल्म बनाई है, जिसका नाम है रोमली एंड जुगल। वहीं ये फिल्म मॉडर्न रोमी जूलियट को दर्शाती है, लेकिन इस फिल्म में आपको होमोसेक्सुअल लव देखने को मिलेगा। खैर, ये तो रही बात फिल्म की, पर हाल ही में इस फिल्म के स्क्रीनिंग पर पहुंची फिल्म की तीनों मेन लीड एक्ट्रेस होमोसेक्सुअल लव को लेकर अपनी अपनी बातें रखती हुई दिखाई दी हैं। तो सुनिए हमारी ये वीडियो।
Also, do you want to say? So there's also a dialogue in the show later on, if you go ahead and watch it, where I'm telling Mandira that it's very easy to tell someone that how why are you homophobic and why do you have anything against people who are gay. But when it happens to somebody that is in your family, and when it doesn't happen if they are gay, you do feel a little uncomfortable, but the challenge is then to accept it. But there is discomfort there is, because it's all new for us, and it's at least for the mentality here, it's very new, it's very, people haven't seen it much. That's why a show like this is obviously going to, it's going to change, it's going to turn homophobics into accepting that this is what it is. And even if it happens to someone that is in your family, it's okay, you have to deal with it. There will be discomfort, but you don't have to fight it. It's okay, it's love eventually. It's love above all. So there's
I truly believe that every individual is just afraid of the unknown, and I think that that's what this is. Everybody has discomfort towards gay people because they don't understand it, because it's the unknown. And I truly believe that the more that we as an industry and we as a society put it and make people aware of the issues that people face, it becomes more known and less unknown. And I think that helps driving all the fear away into what they are, and more acceptance just comes out of that, because the more you're used to it, the more accustomed you are to it, the easier it is for you to accept it. And that's with every human nature and life in general, I think. So I think that's why this is so important. Yeah.
I feel society tends to become a little unforgiving when it comes to something out of the norm. So yes, in our country, of course, things like this come as a huge shock initially. It's easier to say something about someone else. Oh yeah, uska beta gay hai, ya uska he turned out to be a gay. Yeah, theek hai, chalo. But when it happens in your family, then I'm sure it's going to come as a huge shock. And the challenge then again, of course, becomes how do you accept it? How do you deal with it with your relatives, with your friends, with your family people? So yeah, I would say that it's very difficult, and I think this story helps you maybe understand a little bit of what an Indian family goes through. I think our society needs to be a little more open and forgiving and accepting of differences, and ultimately when it comes to your own preferences, the love for someone, I think love is really pure, so it should be accepted, whatever it is.
तो सुना आपने, नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज़ से जुही राय की रिपोर्ट।
Subscribe now to receive new updates, reviews and news.